You're watching Trailvia channel. Like, share, subscribe. Today, myth versus fact. RFID blocking wallets. Do you really need one when you travel? Myth: scammers can drain my card from across the street. Fact: RFID stands for radio frequency identification. It lets scanners read tiny tags without touch, toll tags, work badges, keys. And some cards. Range: in perfect conditions, up to a few dozen feet, but real-world reads on protected payment cards are tough. Myth: all my cards are broadcasting my personal data. Fact: many modern credit and debit cards aren't even RFID capable. And the contactless ones. They're designed to send encrypted, one-time codes, not your full card number or name. Myth: RFID theft is the main threat on vacation. Fact: pickpocketing, lost wallets, shoulder surfing skimmers, online scams. Those happen way more often. So what's actually vulnerable? If a card has the contactless symbol, it can talk to a reader. Older or poorly implemented tags can leak small bits of data. RFID tags in IDs can store up to 64 bytes, but that doesn't equal full identity theft. How does an RFID blocking wallet work? It's a thin electromagnetic shield that blocks radio waves from reaching your cards. Drop your contactless cards inside, and random scanners can't wake them up. Simple, light, and you can still pull a card out to tap when you want. Should you buy one? If it gives you peace of mind, they're cheap, light, and come in every style. It's an easy extra layer, especially in crowded transit hubs. But here's the bottom line. Your bank likely protects you against fraud. Many cards are encrypted, and true RFID skimming is rare compared to old-school theft and phishing. Smart traveler checklist. Use a money belt or zippered crossbody. Keep phones and wallets front-facing and secured. Enable bank alerts and contactless limits. Use a VPN on public Wi-Fi and watch for fake links. If you like the idea, add an RFID blocking wallet for bonus protection. If this helped, hit like, share it with a travel buddy, and subscribe to Trailvia channel for more quick myth-busting tips before your next trip.